Dr. Kandula with the Advent Sinus Center. I'm here with Allie, and we're going to sort of quickly run through what sinus rinses are, what they do, and how to do one. So pretty simple. Sinus rinses, I'm a big fan. So sinus rinses, what they're trying to do is just rinse out the mucus and sort of buildup that can happen in the nose. And so for somebody who has nose issues, they can help. For somebody who doesn't have nose issues, don't worry about them. And if you have any nose procedures, they're certainly very, very beneficial. So that's sort of the what's on the rinses as far as the hows and how often. It's as often as you feel like you need to do them, basically. So if you are having issues intermittently, once a day, twice a day, great. If you've got allergy issues, great to do it after you mow the lawn or something that way. If you've had procedures done, our general recommendation is 3 to 5 times a day. So the more the better. The more that you're trying to knock stuff out of there, the better. So as far as the different rinse systems, there's a neti pot, which is sort of like a teapot where you pour it through your nose, and that's kind of uses gravity. I'm actually a bigger fan of this system, which is called, it's the NeoMed system is the brand name. It's a squeeze bottle version, so you control the amount of pressure that's coming through there, and so you can squeeze a little harder or less hard depending on what needs to happen. The most important thing with any nasal rinse is having the proper amount of salt in there. So the packet is important. It's salt and baking soda. Packet goes in and you need to fill it up with clean water, and that gives you your perfect mixture. So Allie is now going to demonstrate how to do the job here, and it's pretty simple. So basically, you know, she's going to squeeze the bottle, have it come in one side, come out the other. You can control that flow however hard you want to do it, and you can control the amount on, you know, on each side. So generally, most folks do about a bottle each rinse, so half a bottle each side. Some folks will do a bottle on each side. It just depends on what's going on and what you need to knock out of there. So when you rinse it through, the water comes through, you're always going to get a little bit left behind, and so that's fine to, you know, blow it out. And there'll usually be a little bit left behind after the initial part that's left behind that you can get out of there at your convenience. So, and it's as simple as that. So rinsing, easy, simple, not a big deal as long as you have the right tools and right setup. And it's something that if you've got any nose issues and sinus issues, can help. Can't help everybody, but certainly something that, you know, there's really usually no particular downside towards doing it. So we got a lot more information on our website, so if you want more information, visit us there. Thank you.